Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. So in today's video, we will share about what is 5S and why is it important. How can we apply 5S principles? How 5S can change your way of work. Okay, let's begin. Man, I really need to get my job organized. How many times have you said that? You know your job is a lot easier if your approach is in organized manner, and being organized starts with your work center, whether it is a factory workstation or an office desk. Lean totally agree with you. In fact, Lean principles includes the practice of the 5S, which are designed to help you to be organized and make easier for you to do your job. The 5S are derived from the 5 Japanese words that begins with the letter S, and they translate to 5 English words that also begin with S. The first S practice is sort. Determines what is needed for you to do your job and remove anything that is not needed. This applies to a factory as well as each workstation. It applies to an entire office building as well as each cubicles and desks. Are you sorted out what you need? The next practice is to set in order. Arrange materials and tools so that they are easy to find when needed. The third practice is shine. Keep the work area neat and clean. It is much easier to spot safety problems or maintenance issues in a clean and organized area. The next step is to standardize these practices so that they become the normal way things are done in your company. In fact, you should establish standard procedures for sort, set in order, and shine. Many lean companies extend this practice to all their general processes so that regular activities are standardized across all departments. The last practice of 5S is to sustain these standard procedures through trainings and communications. Sustains also means that you work steadily to improve these practices from day to day. In fact, most lean companies believe that 5S is the starting point of continuous improvement. Getting organized is the first step towards adopting Kaizen, which is the practice of small, steady improvements to all processes. The 5S help you to work faster, better, and more accurately. They are intended to help reduce errors throughout the organizations, and that's where these practices align with lean inventory management. An organized machine operator in the factory is less likely to make a processing error. With less rework and scrap incidents, process inventory is reduced. An organized purchasing department is less likely to buy the wrong material or the wrong amount of materials from supplier. An organized shipping department is less likely to send out the wrong order. Although most people associate the 5S practices in factory operation, they should be applied to every part of your organization, and the result is lower inventory level and better inventory control. How is your work center? Do you follow this 5S? If not, start now. Once you master this principle, maybe you can work with your boss to expand this to the rest of your departments. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne and I am the business software coach who not only teaches theory, but I also develop software to fit the need of real-world businesses. Please subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell, or leave a aha comment in the comment box if you learn something new from my video. This will definitely motivate me to make a weekly video like this to share with you guys. Okay, that's all for my sharing for today, and I see you in my next video.